I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. Oh, still few members need to join. Yeah, that would be okay. Yeah, meanwhile, somebody read instant management definition. Who is going to read? Yeah, Bala already read instant definition. Yeah, somebody take instant management definition. Okay. Maybe Funny, Prithvi, Rajashekar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I will read it.
Okay.
Incident management is process responsible for managing life cycle of all incidents. The purpose of incident management is to restore the normal service operations as quick as possible and minimize the impact on the business operations. Thus ensure that agreed level of service quality is maintained.
Hmm. Yes. Incident management is process responsible for managing life cycle of all incidents. The purpose of incident management is to restore the normal service operations as quickly as possible and minimize the impact on the business operations. Thus ensure that agreed level of service quality is maintained. Okay, I'm just scrolling. Who are the persons involving in the incident management? Like throughout ITSM, in each module, I have mentioned persons as well. In terms of interview point of view, it's not an important. Okay, nobody will ask about these persons, but you have to know who are going to involve in each module from the ITSM. That's what I have mentioned the persons. Okay. So you can see caller, service desk agent, IT support teams, incident admin, process owner. Okay, these are the persons involving in the incident management. Caller means end user, service desk agent or IT support teams, called agent or fulfiller, incident admin process owner, called manager. Like I'm just comparing with the ITSM persons. Okay. Here caller is end user, service desk agent and IT support teams. Both are agent and fulfiller. Okay. Instant admin process owner are the managers. Okay. So you can say caller submits incident requests. Incidents are requests. Caller submits incident requests. Okay. Whoever submitting the incident, those we are calling as caller. Those we are calling as caller. Like we have different ways to raise an incident. We are having different ways to raise an incident. So one way is directly submitting the incident from the incident management application. Directly submitting the incident record from the incident management application. And second way is mailing to the customer care at the rate of organization.com. Like directly mailing to the organization. That is another way of submitting incident. And third way is calling to the customer care, providing the details about our issue. They will create a one incident record on behalf of us. Okay. Like these are the different ways of submitting an incident. Okay. So like whoever having the issue, whoever having the interruption, this we are calling as caller. Next, service desk agent. Level 1 support and primary point of contact with end users. Level 1 support and primary point of contact with end users. So basically, in the IT industry, for the support project, maybe you already hear these keywords. Uh, I am working as L1 support, L2 support, L3 support, like that. Okay. So whenever we are having some issue, it will go to the service desk first. Okay, whoever working as L1 support, whoever working in service desk, okay, they don't have any technical knowledge about our issues. They don't have any technical knowledge about our issues. But they like we have previously resolved instance, right? We have previously resolved instance, right? Like whenever we are trying to communicate the incident, like they are trying to verify already resolved instance from the queues, and they will try to verify the KB articles. And if they are able to help us, if they are able to help us, definitely they will help, and they are going to resolve the incident. Okay. If they are not able to resolve our incident, if they are not able to resolve our incident, they will transfer our incident to the L2 support team members. L2 support team members. Those we are calling as IT support teams. Okay. They will also try to analyze root cause our issue. Okay. If they are able to resolve the incident, yes, L2 team members having the technical knowledge. L2 team members having the technical knowledge. Okay. And we can consider maybe freshers, maybe like 1 year experience, 2 years experience, 3 years experience guys. Okay. We can consider L2 support team members. They will try to resolve our incident. If they are able to resolve, that would be fine. If they are not able to resolve the incident, it will go to the L3 support team members. Here, L3 support team members are the experts in that particular domain. Whatever the domain it may be Servicenow, it may be Jira, it may be Java, .NET, whatever the issue it has. Okay, they are the expertise within this particular domain. Okay, so you can say IT support team, second and third level support, second and third level support, and subject matter experts in one or more technologies. Subject expert in one or more technologies. These are the IT support teams. Okay. Incident admin configure specific elements of the process within the service. Now, like if you want to create any new fields on the incident form, yes, they are going to create. Like if they want to modify the existing process within the incident management, yes, they are going to change. Like incident admin will take care of configuring the process. Okay. Process owners will take care of day-to-day life of the incident management. Day-to-day life of the incident management. Okay. From these persons, if you are having any queries, please let me know. If anybody not able to understand this theory part, please let me know. Okay. Completely theory part for 4 to 5 classes. Definitely.
Okay, okay, Anji.
Okay.
So this IT support team is excluded the persons of incident admin and process owner. They are separate, or they are
Yeah.
involved in same IT support team.
No. Here, incident admin process owner, we can consider manager. Okay. IT supporting service desk agent, we can consider expertise. Got
Okay.
it?
Got it.
It's like service desk agent, like for example, we can consider L1 support, right? We can consider, for example, uh, maybe I have fever. Okay, maybe I have fever. Like my family members telling like you can take some paracetamol tablet or maybe Dolo. Okay, or maybe I'm having some headache. They are telling you can take Saridan tablet. They don't know anything about medical, but they are suggesting like L1 support team members like that. Okay. And if we consider L2, maybe in villages, not only in villages, everywhere we have RMP doctors, RMPs, or maybe we have compounder or nurse we can call, right? Those we can consider L2 support team members. Okay. L3 doctors, actual doctors, who, MBBS doctors we can consider like that. Okay.
Okay.
Incident management life cycle overview. There are three stages involved in the incident management: creation and classification, investigation and diagnosis, resolution and closure. These are the three stages or phases involved in the incident management life cycle. Okay. Creation and classification, investigation and diagnosis, resolution and closure. You can see in the creation and classification phase, create new incident or locate existing incident. Create new incident or locate existing incident. Define and classify incident details. Define and classify the incident details. Assign to yourself or forward to another group or individual person. Okay. In the creation and classification phase, we are identifying the incident, like we are creating a new incident or we are navigating to a existing incident. And like we are classifying the incident details like category, subcategory, configuration item, contact type, business service, like we are filling all these details. Then after we are assigning this particular incident to ourselves or somebody in the team. Okay, this is creation and classification phase. For example, I will create one incident. Okay. Oh, 1 minute. Whether instance wake up or not. No, it's not wake up. Yeah, that would be okay. Next, investigation and diagnosis. Once the incident is assigned to us, we will start working on that particular incident. Locate assigned incident and take ownership. Investigate and diagnose the symptoms of the incident. So we have to diagnose, we have to do diagnosis, or we have to do root cause analysis here. So why this incident is happening? What is the reason? We have to identify that. But why this particular incident is happened? We have to identify that. We have to investigate on that. Okay. Investigate and diagnose the symptoms of the incident. Okay. And update incident activity, like whatever, so we have analyzed whatever we identified related to this particular incident, we have to update in the comment section. Okay, within the incident record. Escalate if additional support required. So if you are not able to resolve the incident, or if you are not able to understand what is the this issue exactly, okay, we may get help from our high level team members. Okay. So for example, here you can see, like if we call to the customer care for any issue, it may be telecom or it may be banking or whatever it is. Sometimes after doing long conversations, they will tell us, the customer care people tell us something like, "I'm transferring this call to my manager or my technical executive," something like that. Okay, like that. Okay, got it. If they are not able to resolve our issue, definitely they will transfer that call to their higher management. Next, monitor progress of the incident resolution. We have to monitor the progress of the incident resolution. So, like what we are investigating, how we are going to resolve this particular incident and all, we have to monitor. This is the investigation and diagnosis phase. Third, resolution and closure. Restore service to end user. Okay, we have to resolve the incident, update the incident activity, communicate resolution to the end user. We have to communicate to the caller saying that your issue got resolved. Could you please verify once? Once the issue is resolved, they will verify and they will close the incident. If they are not closed that particular incident, it will automatically close by the system. Okay. This is the resolution and closure phase. Restore the service to end user, update incident activity, communicate resolution to end user, automatic or manual incident closure. This is incident management lifecycle. Creation and classification, investigation and diagnosis, resolution and closure. I may create one incident here. Okay, I may create one incident here. Still instance waking up. Meanwhile, if you have any queries, let me know. I will take attendance as well. Meanwhile, any queries? No. I'm planning to create an incident. Yes, my instance is backup. Now we just create one incident and we close the session. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you the next things in the incident management. Once theory is completed, tomorrow we'll also discuss different kind of use cases. Okay. For creating an incident, here you can type incident. For creating an incident, you can type incident here. In the in the incident management application, you can say incident application. This is the application, incident application. We have create new. When you click on create new, like whenever I'm clicking something, I'm pressing control keyboard in my laptop. Okay, that's what it is opening in new window. Okay. So you can see maybe Apple Twitter having some issue. Apple Twitter not able to access Outlook. Like he's not able to access the Outlook. Category he's selecting software and subcategory he's selecting email. Okay. Maybe I'm just verifying. Configuration item. He is having issue with Outlook. That's what I selected Outlook. He is directly creating incident, self-service, and submitting the incident. Okay. Once the incident is created, this incident will go to the service desk. Like service desk people assign this incident to particular group, or it will automatically assign this incident to particular group. Maybe for example, I'm assigning this ticket to software group. Maybe within the software group, I'm assigning this ticket to Beth Angeline. Okay. So Beth Angeline is member from the software group. Okay. So like service desk people assigning this ticket to Beth Angeline. Yes. Till now, creation and classification phase completed. Creation and classification phase completed. Next, investigation and diagnosis phase started. Okay. Now Beth Angeline will check all the access details of Outlook for this particular person, appeal tutor. Okay. And yeah, he will investigate why he's not able to access the Outlook and why access got denied for this particular user. Okay. So once Beth Angeline identify the issue, and he is going to resolve the incident. Okay. He will just keep resolve and resolution information. Okay. He is saying resolution, solution proposed, solution provided. Um, After renewal, bill total account. After renewal of able tutor account, it's not updated. It's not updated in Outlook app. So he is not able to access Outlook from past 2 days. I just verified, his access on new renewal date, okay, comma, updated his renewal date in Outlook. Now he is able to access Outlook. Got it what I'm saying here? So generally within the organizations, if we are in some project, they will renewal, right? So initially they will take for 6 months. Like if we are closer to 6 months, so they will renewal for next 1 year. So if we are near to 1 year, so they may renewal our account for next 2 years like that. Okay. Like for example, here Beth investigated on this particular issue. He identified that recently Abel Tutor's account got renewal for next 1 year. Okay. That new renewal date is not updated on the Outlook. So that is the issue. He is not able to access to the Outlook app. He just identified that and he updated the new renewal date in the Outlook app. Now Abel Tutor able to access the Outlook. Okay, he is updating the resolution. Save. So you can now, yes, this Beth Angeline successfully resolved this particular incident to the Abel tutor. Now, Abel tutor receives one email notification. Okay. And he verifies whether he is able to access the Outlook or not. Once he feel he is able to access the Outlook, he is going to close the incident. Okay. He is going to, Abel tutor going to close the incident. So this is resolution and closure phase. Okay. If Abel tutor not close the incident, it will automatically close incident. Okay. Within 7 days. Any queries in the incident management process, we may discuss the same tomorrow also we are going to discuss about incident only, and we are going to discuss about different use cases. Okay. Any queries? Let me know.
Yeah, Anji, what is the difference between resolved and closed
Resolved
states?
and closed. Yes. One ticket is assigned to you, Prithvi. For example, I'm having some internet issue. Okay.
Okay,
Like you are the support person, internet support person. Okay.
okay,
The ticket is assigned to you. You came to my house and you have verified internet wiring and router. Like within the ticket you mentioned, yes. Like I have verified all the things and now the internet working fine. You have
okay,
resolved the ticket. I have to confirm, right, to the
okay.
that company.
Yeah,
Yeah, like by closing the incident, I will confirm. Yes, I'm able to access proper internet connectivity.
okay,
Got
okay.
it? The
Thank
difference between
you. Yeah,
resolve and
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Any queries, Anthony, Somi, Ram, Rash? Yes, Rashika, tell me.
No, bro, how the Beth Angeline has identified the problem as the account is not updated in Outlook? Means she has a contact, means access to that Outlook.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe this Angeline and the software group is related to Outlook. Okay, it's kind of a example. We haven't verified anything. Like in the real time, like how they will investigate, I have written in the resolution notes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you just what I can say, you just imagine. Not only this
Oh,
example, all
okay. Okay.
examples you can imagine.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Any queries, team? No? Then we are good. I'm just stopping the recording.